young bitch, I don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.
Hey, it's me, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, bringing you guys another curly girl review. And this is actually coming from another company that I've worked with before. They're one of my personal faves. This is coming from the WeQueen company. So that's right, me and WeQueen have teamed up to bring you guys another curly girl review. So this is actually, hold on, let me get everything out the way. So this is the box that it comes in. This is actually their, I believe this is their 18-inch water wave curl pattern. I was trying to see if, nope, it doesn't have it on there. But this is their 18-inch, 13x4 curl pattern lace frontal wig. And this particular unit is lace all in the front area. So I did do a quick install with the Got to Be Glued spray, and that's pretty much it. I did rewash mine, so to get the curls to be really fluffy and bouncy, I did go on and keep it into that side part, plucked it a little bit so that way the curls are a little bit way more defined. And hold on, see if we can, there we go. Now that's what we call curly girl hair. So I actually think this is a really cute unit. It's very natural looking, very chill. You can easily just sit down, chill. You don't have to worry about anything. So let me talk about what comes in the box. So you get your bag that says WeQueen on there. You also get the instructional paperwork of telling you how to keep this hair up to par, how to curl it and keep it clean and all those fun things. They give you a wig cap, of course, netting, and then of course how to actually get a special gift if you leave a review, and they'll actually send you a really dope gift. So that's actually what comes in the box. My own personal review, I've had this on for a while. I actually like the unit. I have no issues with it. It actually mimics like something like my real hair that, you know, you just want to keep it cute and natural. The lace itself is very sheer, very cute. I didn't create baby hair because I knew I wasn't going to be in it long, but I know when I wear it actually for real, I'll actually create the baby hair. But this unit is very cute. So if you guys want to know how to cop this unit, definitely look down below, click that link, and let them know that the Tame One sent you. So if this video was informative and to you guys like it, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders, bye!